Elon Musk accomplished it recently. This came as a complete surprise, and a lot of folks are still in shock that it is indeed occurring. More than 30 trillion Shiba Inu is no laughing matter. The anticipation is building. Furthermore, you are erroneous when you believe that it ought to end right away. And this is just the start. In the crypto sector, bizarre things also seem to be occurring. However, what am I discussing? What occurred just now? Alright, let me clarify. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more Shib news, be sure to click the like button. Please note that by the time you see this video, some rates may have changed. Financial advice is not included in this video. Recently, one Twitter user noted that altcoin domination has emerged from its sluggish period and is already beginning to rise. They even cautioned that this could be the final chance to invest before cryptocurrencies undergo a significant upswing, with significant growth anticipated in 2025. After a time of accumulation during which investors held their holdings in anticipation of the next significant move, this tweet implies that the marketplace has reached a tipping point. The cryptocurrencies are now gaining traction. It suggests a big change is coming, and alternative digital currencies like Shiba Inu may see tremendous development as a result. Considering how calm the marketplace has been lately, many people see this as an intriguing chance. It's obvious what it means. If the marketplace continues to rise as expected, investors who enter now might earn enormous gains. Anticipation and enthusiasm are roiling inside the crypto world. There is a feeling of urgency in the air, along with optimism. Traders who have been waiting are now under pressure to move fast. There's also a general feeling that it's either now or never. Everyone is eager to ride the latest wave of cryptocurrency success and is keeping a careful eye on things. Right now, Shiba Inu is intriguing since its daily graph has been displaying a triangle structure, which often indicates a possible breakthrough. This can indicate a significant price shift that might propel Shiba Inu to fresh heights. But there is an alarming signal is emerging from the on-chain data. Between 4010 and 5009, Shiba Inu's important support level may be approaching, and it seems that the market is losing ground. This support is especially significant since it is supported by approximately 33 trillion Shiba Inu, which are owned by almost half of the profitable addresses. With this support range serving as a robust safety net for Shiba Inu, the cryptocurrency world is beginning to worry. The value may decline further if the price drops below this mark, which may lead to a wider sell-off. This revelation has caused concern, especially in light of the current fervor surrounding the altcoin market. Given that Shiba Inu are among the most notable assets available, many were anticipating for more development. However, this new tendency may cast doubt on such expectations. The concern is that the altcoin's potential growth may be jeopardized, and investor trust may be weakened if Shiba Inu fails to maintain this support. This is why, however, it may not be significant in the long term. A tweet provides some insight into this circumstance and the inherent cyclicality of cryptocurrency markets. It claims that every cycle is the same, and that cryptocurrency's greatest marketing tactic is making its supporters wealthy. When believers become wealthy, many around them are immediately drawn to cryptocurrency and its top markets. You will automatically become wealthy at the conclusion of this cycle if you are an early believer. The caveat is that only 5% will be capable to retain that profit due to psychological patience. The essence of the Shiba Inu incident in 2021 is encapsulated in this tweet. Early adopters benefited greatly from the price explosion of Shiba Inu at that time. Others hurried in when more people realized how wealthy these early investors were, which caused the price to rise even more. The market cycle functions in this way. A few of early investors get the rewards, and a wave of additional investors follows, often driving prices to their highest points. Only a tiny fraction of investors are able to hang on to their gains because of patience and strong psychology, whereas the majority of investors sell too soon as the market levels out because they get swept up in the euphoria. Shiba Inu's pricing has recently raised some concerns, yet there is still a strong confidence in a second phase of expansion. A lot of people are hoping that Shiba Inu will see another boom similar to what happened in 2021. The cryptocurrency community is keeping a careful eye on things, hoping that the trend will recur and that those who continue to be patient and smart will see substantial profits at the conclusion of this cycle. However, this cycle differs somewhat from 2021, and the tweet provides some explanation for this. It claims that even if the market hasn't yet gone completely crazy, FOMO is still at its highest level. The greed index is 94. When Bitcoin reaches 300,000 alts, just think of what will happen. It will shoot through the roof. Yes, the fear of missing out will be so great that the majority of individuals will never record a profit and will instead return it to the market. The best course of action would be to take some of the gains out on the way up and book the rest. This is rather good for the cryptocurrency market, as it demonstrates the space's maturation. As the cycle goes on, people will understand the value of making calculated profits, which will make the market healthier and more players capable of handling turbulence. As financiers become more astute and cognizant of the hazards, it also suggests that the next expansion wave will be larger and more sustained. Therefore, even while the short term can appear perilous, given all of this FOMO, it really paves the way for a longer-term, more robust crypto market. Well, something very bizarre is going on behind the scenes at the moment. The main source of this enthusiasm is none other than Elon Musk. One Twitter user recently shared an image of a profile on X with a dollar icon next to it, raising the possibility that this has anything to do with X payments. As soon as possible, people began to speculate that this button would be used to transmit money to somebody on the platform, possibly as a new payment option. The fact that Elon Musk, the new proprietor of X, has been trying to allow transactions on the platform is also widely known, even though this notion makes a lot of sense. He is serious about introducing financial services to X, as seen by the several licenses he has previously obtained in various US states. With the release of this new version, the anticipation for X payouts skyrocketed. However, there were still others who doubted that this would really occur. Matters really took off once Musk, in typical Musk manner, reacted to the rumors with a straightforward true. Meme coins in particular caused the cryptocurrency market to go crazy. Since Elon Musk has consistently backed Dogecoin, the craze for joke currencies has exploded due to his newfound power over X. Remember how Musk once altered the Twitter logo to Dogecoin, which just served to exacerbate the situation. The fervor behind meme currencies, like as Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, and others has increased quickly, and it doesn't seem to be abating anytime soon. This excitement isn't arbitrary. There is a genuine calculated drive behind it. This increase is being driven by Musk's influence, his past with Dogecoin, and the possibility of X payments. The amount of momentum behind meme currencies is astounding, and it all stems from Musk's engagement, which keeps energizing and influencing the cryptocurrency industry in ways we never could have predicted. For the last 2 days, Bitcoin has maintained its $113,000 threshold, and the optimism around this is simply insane. Energy is growing, and the market seems vibrant as Bitcoin maintains its solid position. The surge in popularity of meme currencies coincides with the fervor around Bitcoin. That these meme-driven digital currencies are receiving so much attention at the same time as Bitcoin's rise is a crazy turn of events. These two forces are pushing and tugging in separate ways, but they are feeding off each other's power because it seems like the marketplace is in overdrive right now. The mood is electrifying, and it's a wild moment to be in the cryptocurrency field. People's emotions are a mixture of hope, shock, and exhilaration. There is a lot of optimism that this may be the beginning of something even greater, and everyone is aware that things are happening quickly. There is a sense of anxious eagerness. There is a feeling of uneasiness, despite the fact that many people are excited about the possible rewards. People are both nervous and eager, being aware that the crypto realm is unpredictable. The whole market seems to be waiting impatiently for something big to happen. as Bitcoin continues to stay firm while meme currencies like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu observe their own spikes. But how do you feel about this? Post a comment below. The day is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it, and subscribe to the channel.